Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unbox my new outdoor security camera. It is Xiaomi and the camera's model is AW300. Okay, as you can see the box here, so it got this side of the box, and you can see some more detail on the button, on the back of the box. Okay, left, and nothing here. Okay, so now let's take it out. Okay. Okay, so take it out from this location. Okay, so inside the box you can just take this out. Okay. We got some tool on here and the camera body here. Okay, and nothing else inside the box. Let's keep it here. Okay, so we got our AW300 camera here. We will see it later, and now let's check out the accessory. So you need to take this one out, and this camera it provides the adapter, power adapter, and the adapter you can see the spec, and it's direct from the power adapter, so you no need to buy additional power adapter, and the cable length also long enough that you can use. Okay, and it's about 2.5 meters, and it's easy for you to install it when you need the power supply that far away from this camera, and also the connection like this one, and it will connect to your camera here. Okay, in this position. Okay, now I show you. So we got this guideline for us to drill the wall. Okay, you can also stick it, and this one if you want to stick on any location that you want to avoid people that this location is the video recording. I like this one, it's useful one. Warranty notice, and the installation manual with some language. This one. Okay, so this one is the waterproof tape. Okay, you can see here waterproof tape, so I think we need to tap it on this location to protect the SD card here. Okay, screwdriver to take out the location. That's way to real the wall. And some screw. So this screw can fix to this camera. Okay, now let's keep all accessory and all accessory here. We got everything about accessory, and now let's check out our camera. Okay, now let's check the camera, and I show you. Remove the protect film before use. Okay, so please don't forget to remove this one before you use your camera. Okay. Keep it here. You can see now here is the speaker, and you see two screws here. This one is the SD card and reset button here, and you can see the model serial here, and this location is the QR code, so I'm not gonna show it. And here is the side that we stick to the wall, so the camera can rotate up down like this. Okay, and you can also rotate your camera like this, and this one you can also rotate like this. Okay, so you can adjust it whatever you want. Okay, and now we gonna set up it together, and let's check it out. Okay, before we set up it, now let's insert the SD card together. And here is the SD card and the screwdriver that we got from the box. And now let's take out the SD card. The cover here. Okay, so I recommend do not use this attach driver. It I nearly damage the screw, so please use the good driver one, the small one like this. So this one I don't know why it cannot dry out this one. I almost damage the screw, so you can see here it got cracked, so it's really difficult to take out the screw. Okay, so please use the good one. Okay, so it can see here the filter here to protect the raining from outside. And now we got here reset button and the SD card slot here. Okay, so put your SD card with this side. I mean that the port will up like this to the front camera, and then insert it carefully. Just press it. Okay. Okay. And now let's input the power supply from the power source. Okay. Now you can see the light come out from the camera.
Please use your phone to scan the QR code on the camera.
Okay, so please use the phone to scan the QR code.
Waiting for connection. Waiting for connection.
Okay.
Waiting for connection.
Open Mi Home. Okay, now you need to install this Mi Home app and just
Waiting for connection.
open and set up it. Okay, after you already set up this Mi Home,
Waiting for connection.
Okay, after you already set up this Mi Home, just press this plus button, and then
Waiting for connection.
You can just press scan. Okay,
Waiting
and now
I
just scan the QR on the back of the camera.
Waiting for connection.
Okay, and reset device. Okay, so now I just press device reset. Agree the term and condition.
Waiting for
Turn the location.
Waiting for connection.
Okay.
Waiting for connection.
And here select your Wi-Fi, or it will automatically set up the Wi-Fi that connect to your smartphone. Enter your Wi-Fi password.
Waiting for connection.
Okay, after that press done and
Waiting
press
for connection.
next. Join. And now
Waiting for connection.
connecting to the camera.
Connecting.
Okay, it's now connecting. Just press OK.
The Wi-Fi network is connected and the account is paired successfully.
Okay, and now just create your room, or just set up it to balcony. Press next. Xiaomi Outdoor Camera AW300. Next. Next. Invite family. Okay. Share this. Okay, let's share. Take time. Do not share for now. Okay, agree the term and condition. Okay, now you can see the camera location here. Okay, there are no playback yet because it's just recording. Okay, so it need to format the SD card first. So just format the SD card. Okay, now it when you just connect at the first time, you need to format your SD card first before you can use. So now that press playback again, you will see the SD card in processing. Okay, so first time you need to enter and update your camera. Press enter on it. Select this one. And then you need to find this firmware update. And now update your camera to get.
Updating firmware. Please do not disconnect from power.
Okay, so we need to update it to get the latest version. So let's wait to update the camera. Okay, now update is complete and it's installing. It's complete for the downloading. Okay, and the camera set is updated successfully, and now you will see after that just press back. The camera is up to date now. Okay, and you can see the playback here from here to here. Okay, after we already set up, you can see this my finger here. So now we need to input the waterproof tab. Okay, I think this will take place here. Just from here to here. Okay, and you can also try to speak to the camera by pressing this one. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, so it will absorb each other and make the echo. Okay, so now that's it. That is all for today's video of the unboxing and the first time setup this Xiaomi Outdoor Security camera AW300. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.